Day 2. Day 2 na ba? Day 2, first day here at Davao City. Off we go. Now to Malagos and Eden. Spa. Yesterday. With Rod, of course.
Sabi mo cute. Hindi, yung sinabi ko.
As random people buying some salon pass for stiffing for negotiation for the habal-habal ride. So we're now here at Malagos Garden Resort, and that's our ride. Went all the way here via habal-habal, which we paid for 40 pesos each. Are we availing the buffet?
So pwede mo na kami mag-picture.
We decided to pay entrance first before.
Tatlo lang kayo, sir.
Yes.
600 lang.
We were supposed to have a buffet, but unfortunately it's already 12 noon, so we're skipping this one. So we just paid 200 pesos each for the entrance. So this is their restaurant, the videoke cafe, wherein you can avail the buffet, but we're not yet hungry, so we're just going to go around. There's a horseback riding if you wanted to. Those are the birds. Some of the birds. Ah, nice. So we'll be doing a feeding of the birds.
Ben, di pa
It's like
bukas, hindi pa bukas, di ba? Ang dami.
for only 10 pesos. These are the birds. Ay!
Rodel, hawakan mo na sa'yo. Ay, nakikita niyo!
Hindi yan namaglat pa.
Masakit yung paa niyo, Ben. Sa'yo po.
Fudge! You're so cute! Hi, birds.
This is Rodel. Feeding the birds.
You know, it's very easy. You just have to stay relaxed.
How do you feel about it?
It's nice to be surrounded with birds.
Oh, really? Rodel,
Going
you
back
have...
to nature, you know, it's so nice. It's so fun.
So here they are.
The birds need to be fed.
Really? How about...
look at that. He's on the lookout.
Rodel, oh my God!
Baba mo.
I should be documenting this. Sige, I just keep at... My God, Rod! Bakit mo sila kinukuha?
Ingay nyo?
Birds everywhere.
Wala, busog na.
Hoy!
Guys, come on!
Dawa seats, food for bird is only 10 pesos per pack. So we're now leaving. We're done in here. So moving on to our next location. Got geese, the ducks, and the sheep. Look. Look at that. Here. This is actually a nice place. Of course, here in Malagos, it's like a canyon. Oh, so cute. Dito maganda. This is chocolate. Hey, where have you been? It's been a while, huh, guys? Opening real soon. The Malagos Chocolate Museum. Creative art experience is nice. Can you take a photo, Ruth? Ouch. Yay! We're done here at Malagos. It's a nice place. You can visit. And don't forget to follow us. We're going in here at the Filipino Center. Hey guys, what's up? Where are you heading now?
We're going to
What?
tonight.
You're gonna have coffee today.
With Rodel.
It's a blue night. Negotiation, of course, payment. Okay, so on the second night here at Davao, we decided to have time for us to do some KTV. That's why we headed here at K1 Family KTV because Rod is wanting to do videoke session. So we got a room for 150 pesos for an hour. Portable. Biggest photo. Oh, it's outside. Ta-da-da! Here you go.
How fancy.
Fancy room!
Order na muna tayo para
Play TV!
Pero may brew kettle. Brew kettle.
On our way. Oh.